Another one of them. Yeah, yeah. Habiba. Habibi, yeah, Habibi, yeah. Habibi, yeah, Habibi, yeah. Slow down, honey. Habibi, yeah, Habibi, yeah. Hold on, honey. I know you got time. I know you got time. All of my man them circulating. They wanna know these fine babies. All of my man them circulating. Yo, that's a Biba. You better leave her. Or some more on the menu fever. If I could have been done in a minute, to mess with us. Abiba, me double rough. Me yellow rough. Oh yeah, me rough. Me yellow rough. Ah, Charlie, we feeling rough. I'm speechless. Quay. Habiba. Don't play on it. You wanna do it like the Rasta, yeah. Habiba, don't take me silly. I just want to kiss you on the yeah. Come on, Mr. Yeah. Zaka zumuza. Ekama give me bass, na me me sa. Zaka zumuza. Ekama give me bass, na me sa. They better know me and Habiba jumped in the way. She starts screaming out, better. Me and Habiba jumped in the way. She starts screaming out, better.
So I just wanted to come in here and show you guys my new hair that I got from DyHair777. So I got their 130% Royal Brazilian Kinky Straight Lace Front Wig, and it's 18 inches. So far right now, how it is now, it's not how it came out of the package, obviously. So I've plucked it, I've done my edges, and a little word about my edges. I've not been putting heat on my hair, so straighteners are kind of off the table right now, so that's why I'm putting a ton of gel on my edges. So just bear with me when it comes to styling, alright? I will leave hair information, like the direct link on the website, and a code for some money off in the description box for you as well. One thing I would say about the company, they actually made a little bit of an effort with their packaging. But to be honest, I'm not actually really fussed about when it comes to packaging, but some people do like that. So they had their own little bag, which I thought was really cute. This is what it looks like. And in it had some eyelashes and this little hair care thing, and it was actually like really good quality. So it's just got some information on how to take care of the hair, and if you want to contact them as well. As far as the eyelashes, I'm not really an eyelash person. The hair came incredibly quick. So I was initially told, you know, it's going to take, you know, 2 to 4 business days to come. Fam, it came the next day. How the heck, I don't know how it came all the way from China to the UK within a day. Witchcraft. Anyway, so yeah, that's a plus for them. So packaging and delivery, very good. So it came with like 4 combs, so 2 on the side, 1 at the front and 1 at the back. But I'm not a comb kind of person. I don't like it. It just like annoys my scalp. So I cut them off. They're very easy to cut off. I just make sure to just cut the thread and not like the actual comb, if that makes sense, because I don't want any holes in my wig. It also came with adjustable straps, which I love, because then it just makes it feel like my hair is going to stay on my head. One thing though, like although it feels like very snug here, you know, it's very like loose, so there's obviously like the little flaps and stuff. See if I can show y'all. Yeah, so like the flaps and that, so you know, just got to be mindful when I'm like styling my hair, if I'm doing anything like, you know, extravagant or anything, doubt it, but yeah, you know, just be mindful. Obviously if you're, you know, if you plan to wear it how people wear like lace wigs and lace front wigs nowadays, like where it's like glued to your like head and stuff, then you don't really have to worry about it. But I wear mine behind my hairline because the way my hairline is set up, like, I don't know, it's just so close to my eyebrows. And when I have tried to do it before a couple of years ago, and I just look like a werewolf, so I just decided behind the hairline is for me. As far as shedding and tangling, I've had this hair for about 3 days. I've been running my fingers through it, and I barely get any shedding at all. It's actually ridiculous. So I have like one hair here. So for now, there's two there. All right, for now, shedding is not a problem to me, but then again, this is the first time me actually like putting it on and wearing it today. So we'll have to wait and see. And tangling, I don't get any tangling at all. Again, it's only like the first day. Things can change. For one thing I really do like, I really like the texture. I think it's very, you know, very natural. It's a nice kind of kinky straight hair where it actually looks like, you know, hair. When I initially put it on, I was like, hey, hold on, like, this doesn't feel like 18 inches. This is it. I don't know, man, this don't feel like 18 inches to me. I'm sure it's like a little bit longer. So then I got my measuring tape and I measured it, and lo and behold, it was 16 inches, or literally like barely past 16 inches. So I don't know whether that was a mess up on their part or whether they actually just send shorter length wigs to people but expect them to pay for longer lengths, if that makes sense. So I'll need to chase that up with the company and just let them know. So just keep an eye out for the next video. So I'll be just doing some simple styles with the hair. You know me, I'm a simple person. So I'll be doing some simple styles with this wig. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.